So, you've spent a ton of money on your car audio setup. You've got the head unit, the perfect amplifier, subwoofers that can shake the block, speakers that deliver crystal clear highs. Everything is wired up, and you're ready to experience your music like never before. But then, you hit play, and the bass drops. Suddenly your headlights dim. The sound gets muddy. Or the whole system just cuts out. What gives? The problem probably isn't your expensive new gear. It's the one component most people overlook: your car's battery. It's the unsung hero, the literal heart of your entire sound system. Using the stock battery is like trying to run a supercomputer on a couple of AA batteries. Your amplifier is incredibly thirsty for power, especially when deep bass notes hit. It needs a massive instantaneous gulp of electricity to push those subwoofers and create that chest-thumping feeling. A standard car battery is designed to deliver a short, powerful burst to start your engine and then keep basic electronics running. It's not built for the constant demanding peaks and valleys of a high-performance audio system. When your amp can't get the juice it needs, it can't perform. This leads to clipping, distortion, and potential damage to your speakers. A dedicated car audio battery is engineered specifically for this job. A high-quality audio battery acts as a power reserve, a buffer that can instantly supply the massive current your amps demand. This stability is key. It ensures your voltage stays consistent, so your amplifier operates at peak efficiency and delivers clean, powerful, uninterrupted sound. You get the full performance you paid for without straining your car's electrical system. Without the right battery, you're leaving a massive amount of performance on the table. Today, we will be reviewing the top 5 best lithium batteries for car audio. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on my reviews, tips and comparisons for car audio gear. Also, I've left links in the description below to each of these batteries, so if you want to grab the best deals on them, make sure to check those out after watching. And comment below with your thoughts about car audio batteries. Let me know which one you think I left out. Now let's start our countdown. At number 5, we have the Banshee 12-volt 100 Ah lithium high-performance replacement battery for car stereo audio. This battery is designed as a high-capacity, high-performance replacement option that delivers 100 amp-hours of power at 12 volts. It uses advanced lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which makes it safer, lighter, and longer-lasting compared to traditional lead-acid or AGM batteries. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to provide consistent voltage even when pushed to support heavy-duty car audio systems. The Banshee also promises a maintenance-free design, meaning you won't have to worry about topping up fluids or dealing with corrosion, and its lightweight construction makes it easier to install without stressing your vehicle's weight balance. What makes the Banshee stand out is its balance between size, performance, and cost. It's a great choice for people who want to step into the world of lithium car audio batteries without immediately jumping into competition-grade options. It has enough capacity to comfortably support moderately powerful car audio setups while still being a reliable long-term replacement for your vehicle's main battery. For daily drivers who also want to enjoy loud and clean music on the go, the Banshee is a solid pick. The only downside is that it might not deliver the extreme current required by very high wattage competition systems. But for most enthusiasts, the reliability and power it provides make it well worth the investment. Coming in at number 4, we have the D0N lithium battery. This battery is rated at 12 volts and 50 amp-hours, making it a compact yet powerful option. What really sets it apart is its incredible cycle life. Depending on usage, it can last anywhere from 4,000 to an unbelievable 15,000 cycles, which means it can easily outlast most vehicles it's installed in. It also includes a built-in smart battery management system, which monitors and protects against overcharging, over-discharging, short circuits, and excessive temperature. On top of that, it is designed to be extremely lightweight, which makes installation effortless and ideal for car owners who don't want to add extra bulk. The D0NCOT battery shines as an all-rounder that works perfectly not just for car audio, but also for marine use, trolling motors, and RVs. For car audio lovers, its compact form factor makes it easy to fit in tighter spaces without sacrificing too much power. It's best suited for users who value longevity and safety, thanks to its BMS, and who might also want a battery that can double as a backup power source outside of car audio. Its limitation is the smaller 50 ampere-hour capacity compared to larger batteries on this list, meaning it may not satisfy the hungriest, power-draining setups. Still, for lightweight builds and moderate systems, it's a very smart buy. At number 3, we step into competition-grade performance with the XS Power Titanate PWR S5, a 12-volt lithium Titanate car audio battery rated for up to 5,000 watts, 2,000 amps, and 10 amp-hours of capacity. This battery is built with cutting-edge lithium titanate technology, which is different from traditional lithium iron phosphate, offering ultra-fast charging, massive burst output, and exceptional cycle life. With its ability to handle 2,000 amps of current and support systems up to 5,000 watts, the Titanate is a beast in compact form. Despite only having 10 amp-hours, it's engineered to deliver extremely high discharge rates, which is exactly what competition car audio setups need. The Titanate stands out because of its insane power density and reliability under stress. This battery is built for car audio enthusiasts who are serious about pushing their amplifiers to their limits in competitions or demonstrations. It's small, compact, and designed to deliver instant energy bursts for bass hits without breaking a sweat. If you've ever had issues with voltage drops killing the performance of your amps, the Titanate is the kind of battery that can solve that problem. The only drawback is its relatively low amp-hour rating, which means it's not meant for long, sustained use by itself. It works best in combination with other batteries or as a supplemental power source. But when it comes to sheer performance, the Titanate is absolutely worth it. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the XS Power X-Max 90 DIY 8300 high-performance 12-volt lithium battery. This powerhouse delivers 90 amp-hours of capacity and is rated to handle up to 20,000 watts of power output. It weighs just 25 pounds, which is shockingly light for the amount of power it can store and release. Built with LiFePO4 chemistry, the X-Max 90 provides excellent safety, long cycle life, and stable voltage under load. The sealed, maintenance-free design ensures that you won't need to deal with messy upkeep, and it's crafted specifically for in-car audio competition use. What makes the X-Max 90 DIY so impressive is its blend of massive capacity and manageable weight. It's designed for serious car audio enthusiasts who want to compete or show off their setups without having to lug around excessively heavy batteries. It's best for people running mid to high power audio systems that need stable and reliable energy delivery, but who also want a battery that's user-friendly and relatively easy to install. Its only shortcoming is the higher price tag compared to smaller or more basic lithium batteries. But if you want competition-level performance, without tipping the scales in your trunk, the X-Max 90 DIY is worth every penny. And finally, at number 1, the king of the list. The XS Power X-Max 135 12400 high-performance, 12-volt lithium battery. This monster of a battery delivers a whopping 135 amp-hours of capacity and can handle up to 30,000 watts of power output. It weighs 46.7 pounds, which is still lighter than many lead-acid batteries with far less capacity, and it features the same sealed, maintenance-free design that makes XS Power a trusted brand in the car audio competition scene. Built with lithium iron phosphate technology, the X-Max 135 is designed for extreme performance, safety, and long-lasting reliability. The X-Max 135 stands out simply because of its unmatched power handling. It is the ultimate battery for hardcore competitors and audio enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on performance. If you're running multiple high-wattage amplifiers, oversized subs, and you want to make sure your system never suffers from power drops, this is the battery that will deliver. It's best suited for competition vehicles, demo builds, or extreme enthusiasts who demand the absolute best from their car audio setup. The only con is its size and weight compared to smaller lithium batteries. But considering the insane amount of power it offers, that's a trade-off most serious competitors will gladly accept. So there you have it, the top 5 best lithium car audio batteries you can get right now. From the reliable and beginner-friendly Banshee to the versatile D0N, the competition-ready Titanate, and the powerhouse X-Max 90, all the way to the ultimate performance beast, the X-Max 135. There's something here for everyone. Whether you're just getting into car audio upgrades or you're building a system that can shake the ground. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you never miss more reviews like this. And remember, I've left links in the description below to each of these batteries so you can check current prices and grab the best deals available. Which one of these batteries do you think fits your setup best? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.